Mukitii wa Kivila cha Upresident na chama cha Jubilee Fred Matiang'i Niwamakulya Aamuika Kumanya Kana wa Nthi ya Kenya Ituoni Syoo Aineenea Kanisani umwe wa SK Kuya Kirinyaga Matiang'i Niwatavya Aamuika tamena kianda kinene muno nthini wa Nthi ya Kenya makathi kwa kwithwa matatwa ya cia uteti wa kimbai kuma mwaini wa thanthatu ingi Niwamakulya Maususye Myanya Kauta ya Utongoi wa Nthi ya Kenya ingi Aimakulya Aamuika methwa maikunikila Utongoi amweva Nthi ya Kenya batekumewia tei kuyana na thukumi wo na kuleana na alava luku na kukunia kula ala maendeyo kuthukuma uya wo undu vailite Daniel Mongela ena mauvo
nene na mbewe komano nene ba kanisani wa ACK ni walisekana vena vata munene wa Aamuika kwitha maithiana neto cia Utongoi nikenda kumia utumwa ilu.
Please, young people, you are more than those of us who cannot be described as young, which means take charge, take control. If politics is a game of numbers, please take charge of that game as young people. And take it so seriously that you do not allow people who do not make sense to you or who do not offer credible proposals on how our country should go forward to have an opportunity to occupy positions of leadership. The debate now is about the future of our country. So we urge you, I would like to urge you, to boldly and courageously move forward and make your contribution to the welfare, the betterment of our country.
Wevindani yunuandea kule Aamuika meyumile 800 ya Utongoi na kuseka Utongoi nesa mbewa manamba umekia ivilani ndewete kana mathina maingi ala mende na kwikumila Nthi ya Kenya kumanite na utimu thuku.
These things ought not to happen in our country. That shame, that embarrassment is as a result of the decisions and the management we've done of our country. But God will hear our prayers and God will hear all of us. And personally, young people, I want to tell you, I have faith that you will do the right thing. For those of you who interacted with in 2015, 2016, 2017, during the famous communion with the truth in the examination sector, you know that when we stick with the truth, we get the right thing done. And when we stand firm, I want to encourage you young people. Let us now occupy leadership. Let's not just talk about occupying the spaces we have been occupying. The 2027 general elections should be about young people occupying leadership at all cadres so that you make the changes that you desire and the changes you would like to see in your country.
Daniel Mongela, Utongoi TV, kuma kauntini Jamasako.